Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best iron-on patches is probably one of the most versatile and fun ways to personalize your clothing and accessories. Whether you're looking to cover up a tear, add some flair, or make a statement, these patches offer a quick and easy solution. From cool designs to unique shapes, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of iron-on patches, exploring different styles, and helping you find the perfect ones for your next project. Number 5. Harsgs 60 PCS Assorted Embroidered Patches. Introducing a collection of 60 random assorted embroidered patches from Harsgs. They come in a variety of vintage and trendy designs, perfect for adding personality to your items. Each patch features bright, vivid colors, ensuring that every design stands out. The unique color combinations make each patch special. These patches are made with high-quality embroidery and feature a hot melt adhesive backing. You can easily iron them on or sew them onto your favorite clothes. Ideal for DIY projects, these patches are perfect for decorating and repairing clothes. Use them on dresses, skirts, bags, jeans, hats, and more. To apply, set your iron to the cotton setting, around 100 to 150 degrees. Apply the iron for more than 30 seconds to ensure it adheres properly. What we like? This product offers a delightful variety with its random assortment of patches, ensuring each piece is unique. The vibrant colors are sure to make your clothes pop. If you're looking to add a touch of personality and flair to your wardrobe with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. The patches are very well made. The colors are vibrant and the designs are detailed. They iron on easily and stay in place even after washing. Number 4. Azobur Fabric Iron-On Patches, Khaki. This is a big size patch, measuring 4 by 60 inches. It's perfect for covering both small and large holes. You can even use it to create your own unique designs. The color matches your clothes perfectly. Repairing or decorating your clothes takes just minutes. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch, and iron for 30 seconds. No sewing or extra glue is needed, and the patch itself is very durable. Feel free to use the patches on the outside of your clothes. Cut it into any shape or size you need to save your favorite items. You can also patch the inside, letting the fabric peek through. After washing, the glue disappears, blending seamlessly. We've tested this patch extensively, and the edges stay firm. If it starts to loosen, just iron it again. For extra security, you can sew it in place. Use it to repair areas like the crotch, knees, or pockets, or prevent future issues. It works on sheets, car seats, and even socks. Each package includes a manual with detailed instructions on how to use it. What we like? This product provides a large piece of fabric, perfect for covering both small and large holes. Made from durable cotton, it's designed to last. If you have a garment with significant damage or want to create your own custom design, it's a great choice. What people say. Easy to use and can cut to size if needed. Thick material and various shades. Used for a tear in my winter jacket. Sticks on nicely, so easy to use, has held up during heavy snow and freezing rain. I even steamed it in my dryer with the highest heat setting and it's still stuck on. I did notice some of the glue seeped out a tiny bit after, but nothing crazy. Stay on and work well. Just make sure to give them 24 hours to set before wearing. Number 3. Azobur Denim Patches for Clothing Repair, 8 PCS. Tired of worn-out jeans? These Azobur denim patches are your perfect solution. They are designed for easy repair and can breathe new life into your favorite clothes. With 8 different shades, you'll find the perfect match for any outfit. Whether it's a hole, tear, or just wear and tear, these patches have you covered. These patches boast 30% more glue than others, ensuring they stay put even after multiple washes. You can trust them to keep your clothes looking their best. Applying these patches is a breeze. Simply iron them on for a few minutes and you're done. You can even use them inside to hide any repair marks. Made from 100% cotton, these patches are suitable for all fabrics. They are soft, comfortable, and built to last, meeting all EU standards. We're confident you'll love these patches. If you have any questions or are not satisfied, please contact us. We are always here to help. What we like. This product comes with multiple color options to match your outfit. The strong adhesion ensures that it stays in place even after washing. If you are looking to repair your jeans with a perfect color match, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and can cut to size if needed. Thick material and various shades. Used for a tear in my winter jacket. Sticks on nicely, so easy to use, has held up during heavy snow and freezing rain. I even steamed it in my dryer with the highest heat setting and it still stuck on. I did notice some of the glue seeped out a tiny bit after, but nothing crazy. Hopefully I don't rip anything else in the future, but if when I do, I'll definitely be buying this again. Perfect for people like me who can't sew for their life. It's easy to apply and conform to the various shape of mittens and snow pants. As for the durability, we'll see if it passed the kids' test. Number 2. RF Patch 48 PCS Hippie Iron-On Patches. Get ready to express yourself. This set includes 48 unique, embroidered patches with various designs. They are perfect for adding personality to your clothes and accessories. The patches feature a range of elements, including Western, religious, and cartoon themes. You'll find something to match your style and add a touch of fun to your wardrobe. Breathe new life into your old favorites. These patches are a fantastic way to update your clothes, hats, jeans, and more. They are a simple way to refresh your look. Applying them is easy. Just set your iron to the cotton setting, place the patch, and press for a short time. You can also sew them on for extra security. Made with A+ grade cotton and linen threads, these patches are designed to last. The adhesive is made to withstand washing, so you can enjoy them for a long time. These patches are made to last. The adhesive is designed to stay on through washing, ensuring your designs stay put. You can wash them without worry. What we like. This product offers a collection of hippie-themed patches, perfect for adding a retro vibe to your clothes. It is easy to apply and washable, ensuring your designs stay put. If you like the boho style and want to add a unique touch to your clothes, you should consider this. What people say. So cute. We used these for my baby shower at the onesie bib station and it worked perfectly. Super easy to iron on, about 30 seconds. Great quality. Cute patches. I ironed these on with no problem and really like the variety of colors and designs. Number 1. HTVRONT 20 PCS Iron-On Patches for Clothes. These iron-on patches are perfect for repairing and decorating your clothes. They are easy to apply and come in a variety of colors, allowing you to customize your garments with ease. Made from soft polyester, these patches offer great stickiness and durability. They can withstand multiple washes without fading or falling off, ensuring your repairs last. Simply cut the patch to your desired shape and iron it onto your garment. In just minutes, it will reinforce the area. There's no residue left behind, and the process is quick and easy. These patches are ideal for various items, including clothes, t-shirts, hats, and shoes. They can restore worn-out areas and add a unique touch to your style. With 20 different colors and a size of 3.7 by 4.9 inches, these patches can cover both small and large holes. The included sewing kit ensures a secure bond. You can use these patches to decorate, repair, and reinforce your garments. Cut them into any shape you want. Be careful with the edges to avoid curling when applying. What we like. This product provides a wide range of colors to match your clothes. The strong adhesion ensures that it stays in place even after washing. If you are looking to repair or decorate your clothes with a variety of colors, it is a great choice. What people say. If you follow the easy directions carefully, the patches adhere well, the corners don't lift, are easy to apply and wash and wear very well. Great product, versatile colors, saved me a lot of money as I was able to extend the life of my preschooler's pants which otherwise would have been too torn and ripped at the knees and seat to have him keep wearing. I cut a piece of this and iron it. The pants are repaired easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.